In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with OakNorth online in 2025. But first, it's important to note that as of October 2025, OakNorth Bank does not offer personal credit cards. Instead, OakNorth dedicates its services to business banking, including business current accounts, savings accounts, and Visa debit cards. If you're a business owner, you might find their Business Visa debit card a useful option for managing business expenses. Meanwhile, personal savings accounts remain a choice for securely handling your savings. Now, if your interest is piqued regarding their business solutions, particularly when it comes to acquiring a Visa debit card for your business, here's what you need to consider. Begin by checking your eligibility. OakNorth requires that your company have a turnover of over £1 million or that you deposit at least £100,000. Your business must also be UK registered, with accepted structures like limited companies, LLPs, or PLCs. Additionally, all company directors should be at least 18 years old. Once you've confirmed eligibility, you can proceed to apply online. Head over to OakNorth's business banking webpage. Here, you'll find an online form where you need to fill in your company's details. Take your time to complete this form accurately, ensuring all information you submit is up to date. Once you're confident that everything is correctly filled out, go ahead and submit the form. After submission, if you meet the eligibility criteria, you'll receive instructions on how to complete your application. These instructions will guide you through the remaining process via the OakNorth Business Portal, which offers a smooth and user-friendly experience. By closely following these guidelines, you'll be able to navigate through this application process with ease. Remember, if your company's financials align with OakNorth's requirements, you could benefit from their trusted banking solutions, enhancing your business management practices. Whether it's managing business expenses through their Visa debit card or securing your finances with a savings account, OakNorth seems to provide a suite of services tailored for businesses. As always, when dealing with any financial application or service, remember to keep all your financial and personal information confidential, and double-check any details before finalizing submissions. This ensures a safe and secure application process. Thank you for joining me today on this step-by-step guide. I hope this breakdown helps clarify the process for applying for a business solution with OakNorth. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the usual channels. Stay tuned for more insights and guides in our upcoming videos.